Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Trans Am Rescue, bringing what could have been my high school car back to life. Today, I'm going back a couple episodes where I found that mouse and some debris and nests. So today I'm going to get into the dash, see what else is in there, potentially pull the heater core, also the brake booster while we have the dash off, and clean up that firewall and that AC plastic junk. Since I don't have AC, I don't need it. So here we go. Let's dig right in and see what we can accomplish today. Okay, this is my plan. Gonna bag everything and keep it together, label it. I don't know how many bolts we're gonna have and stuff, so we'll just keep it labeled. Next thing I'm gonna do is start taking off everything on these. 'Alright, so we're pulling that out. There's definitely a little residue. Oh God. Look at that. That's no bueno. That is some antifreeze, probably from that heater core. Glad that I'm fixing this problem now. Holy cow. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh. Well, that looks good. Try to set this to like 45,000 miles. Steps backwards. We'll figure it out though. This is getting hung up somewhere, so I gotta see if I can figure out where. I think there's 2 bolts down here. There are 2 nuts by the steering column, so I'm gonna try to drop that. Let's see if that frees it. I don't need to take this whole thing completely away or off. I just want to get enough where I can get down at that heater core box and maybe pull it out. I don't think I'm gonna take out the insulation. It really doesn't look that bad, but we'll see when maybe if we can drop this a little bit more. Oh shit. Yep, that's dropping everything. Okay. Put this down. It's crushing my head. Okay, perfect. That seemed to do it. This whole thing is pulling away nicely. Let's get in on the other side and take a look. Okay. Oh, we got great access. Great access now. And this firewall looks really good. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I'm not messing with that. No need. But we do have, you can see that leak down the bottom of that heater core. And some nastiness in there. We'll clean that all out. Okay. it's moving out. Just kind of forcing it a little bit. Okay. All right, before we go any too much further with this, I have to undo the lines on the other side. Maneuvering, pushing from the other side, and voila. Okay, let's go take a look at this. All right, definite leakage going on down here. Looks like right at the bottom. So I'm glad we got that out. Oh, yeah. Some more spillage. It's okay. All right. So all in all, I think this looks pretty clean, to be honest with you. I mean, it's a little nasty in there, but we'll vacuum and some cleaner. I don't think we'll have a problem. I don't see myself pulling this whole box out, but I do want to get the AC components out, and I think there might be some bolts down here. So I'm going to try to maneuver this and get under there. Okay, started prying. It came off. We also broke it, but I'm replacing it anyway. So get it out. Okay. Closer. I'm just gonna keep on working my pry bar or screwdriver around there. Uh-oh. Too much slop in there. All right. The top right nut, it's on the brake booster, is almost impossible to get at. I have a socket on it. I'm going to try this contraption to run right along the steering column to see if I can get it on there. It is tough. I need a better light though. Oh. Thought it was recording again. It was not. This did the trick though. 100% of the time, nope. 60% of the time, works all the time. Okay, let's pull it off the front. Okay, that's not going to come out without this being out. I don't want to break. I got to just rest that over there without breaking it. Probably not. Okay, okay. Supposed to come out nice and easy. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. Yeah, disconnect it. Okay. Woohoo. Beautiful. She's off. All right, we're going to call that a successful day. Brake booster out, AC unit out, heater core out. I'm going to order those parts. We'll fix it. Slow progress. Feels like we're going massively backwards with this project, but I think we're on the right path. If you're enjoying this, do me a favor, subscribe. Let me know that you're watching it, and if you made it to this point, thank you. I hope you have a great week, and we'll post something next week, hopefully putting the stuff back together. Thanks, everyone.